What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're back here in the garage and we have another vehicle we actually worked on before. It's this brand new ZL1 Camaro. We actually did a little dent in the driver's door, but I'll show you what happened now. So it's a little more major damage here. You can see how it's real high right there. That's right where the bracing runs up that door like that. So that's going to be a lot of tapping. Little dent up there, well actually kind of a bigger of a dent up there with the eyebrow on top of that, one there. If you really look down the door too, it's kind of all damaged all throughout that door. So this one's going to take a while to work on. I told the customer to drop it off. Actually, I picked it up. It's a kind of a neighbor of mine down the road. So we brought it back here. We have it for a week. He wants to go to a car show next weekend at Bergey's Chevrolet. So we're going to try to have it done before then. I'm just going to take my time working on it, you know, work on it for a few hours, then work on a few hours tomorrow, things like that. That way, take my time, make it look good for him. It's pretty damaged. We'll see how it turns out, but we'll take you through the process, see how it turns out, and let's get going. All right, we've been working with this for a little while now, I guess a couple hours. It's coming up good. Again, I'm taking it slow. We'll do this in, you know, intervals. So I'll do some today and some tomorrow, maybe the next day. Just taking it slow, getting out most of the deepness. I'll show you what we did. So we got some of the dents out. There was that like crease in here. We got that out. That one up top here we did. But you can still see there's still that big, you know, high spot. It's going through that whole door, a little low spot there. And then up front here, there's a little low spot right up here. So I tapped most of that. That had like a big kind of like eyebrow over the top of it. So we tapped that down. I'm gonna glue pull that because it's kind of hitting the window with like the way I'm like trying to touch it with my rod there. So we're gonna just glue pull that. It's shallow enough. We'll be able to get that out. But we'll keep going with this. Just a lot of tapping. with this, that big high spot there. So, you know, I don't know how much of the video I'll get in that, but we'll keep going. Okay, we've been working with this again for a while. A lot of tapping today. That's what I kind of did the whole time, was just try to tap down that whole high spot. I'll show you what we have here. This is the result after today. So you can kind of see it's pretty much down again. There's still little like high spots you might be able to pick up there. So we'll still mess with that. And then there's still a low spot right there we're gonna work out. And then once we're done that, we'll get back to it and fine tune everything, you know, re-tap everything, all the areas that might still be high, and then also just get in every low spot. I just wanna take my time with this. We, you know, worked on it a couple days now already. So we have like 3 more days before he wants it back. He wants to go to a car show. So we'll get it back to him before then, but I'm gonna wrap up for today, and we'll start again tomorrow and, you know, see how it goes for tomorrow. All right, we are all finished up with this one, at least for now. The car came out really nice. There's some still little low spots that I want to like fine tune, but we're just out of time. The car shows tomorrow morning. He wants the car back to get it all cleaned up for that and everything. So it's good for that. I told him there might be a little shimmer here or there. I'll probably take the car back after the show and, you know, work on it then. But I'll show you the results we got going on here. So you can see all the major stuff is out. That big line, those big dents up top and down low there. It all came out like really nice. If you get down and look, you might see a shimmer here or there, like I said. But I would like to get the car back. I'd probably be another full day on that, just, you know, fine tuning everything, getting those shimmers gone. The whole time into the car, I probably have about 2 full days. So it took a long time, just, you know, 3 hours here, 2 hours here, you know, some of the days I worked on it twice, you know, throughout the day, but it took a long time doing the video too. There were some spots where I missed, like doing that dent down low. People stopped over when I was working on the car and just kept forgetting to mess with the camera. So I missed that in the video, but hopefully you guys liked the video. It took a while. If you can, like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll do more videos, and we'll catch you on the next one.